Hey Glow Recipe, it's Taylor here. I'm one of the co-founders of the makeup brand NUDESTix, and I'm going to take you through my morning get ready with me featuring my favorite Glow Recipe products and NUDESTix, so keep watching. So to prep my skin, I'm using the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice, and I love this because it's part moisturizer, part serum. I have a very dry skin, so I typically use this as a serum before my moisturizer, but it really just hydrates and luminizes my skin. SPF is king, so I'm using the Make Creme Capsule Sun Gel, which I love because it's SPF 50 and it doesn't leave a typical white cast like a lot of sunscreens do. It also acts as a makeup primer, so it allows your makeup to really grip well to last all day. I'm using the Blythe Instant Glowing Cream, which I'm really excited about because this will just provide you with a natural glow to the skin. Think about highlighter in a skincare. So this is also a really great base for your makeup to just create this radiant, glowing appearance to your skin. So next, we're going to start with makeup, starting with our NUDESTix Tinted Blur Stick. Think of a tinted moisturizer in a stick that provides a little bit more coverage. And what I love about this is that it's buildable, so you can create that really nice coverage, but yet it still looks like skin. So next, to add a little bit of glow and color to my face, I'm using our NUDIES Matte in the shade In the Nude, which is a beautiful neutral coral tone that works with all complexions. I love this because it just adds a little bit of a flush of color to my cheeks, my eyes, and my lips that still looks like me. One of my favorite parts, I'm using our NUDIES Glow in the shade Hey Honey, which is a beautiful, almost caramel golden tone that works well on all skin complexions. And then to finish off the look, I'm using our brow stylus in the shade Dirty Blonde. There's a triangular pencil tip on one side that's a really beautiful cream to powder finish. So this allows you to line, feather, and fill your brow without needing or having to use a pot or a spoolie or a brush. It's kind of like your all-in-one. Finally, I'm using our NUDESTix Lash Lengthening Mascara, and I love this because it's lash conditioning. So this is my final Glow Recipe and NUDESTix look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope to see you soon. Bye!